Why do scientists call chimpanzees the tool masters of the animal kingdom? It's not just because they use tools, it's how they spread their knowledge. Chimps don't just figure things out on their own, they love to share. When one chimp learns to crack nuts with a rock or fish for termites with a stick, others watch and copy. Scientists have seen chimpanzee moms patiently showing their kids step by step. It's not random. This is real teaching. That means chimpanzees can pass down skills, just like humans do. So next time you see a chimp with a stick, remember, you might be watching a wild classroom in action.